Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve backup error 0x8078012d. The request could not be performed because of an device error. Usually this problem show in backup app. Going to the start menu and select services or type services and hit enter. In this window, scroll down and select this process. Select volume shadow copy, this option, and click on start text in this or locate this option, start, and one click, or double click, change automatic to manual and select start, click on apply and click on OK. If your problem persists, click on restart. When the process is running, you can try run your app in conflict. For example, backup of Windows tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.